And in news just coming in Jharkhand's Chaibasa, at least 5 under trial prisoners were killed in a daring alleged jailbreak bid. The fatalities occurred after prison guards opened fire to prevent prisoners from escaping. More than 12 prisoners managed to escape during this gun battle is what we are being told. A massive manhunt has been lodged. And let me quickly bring in headlines today is Rohit Singh for the latest. Rohit, when did this happen? Explain this entire prison break in detail.
Gaurav, this incident has happened this afternoon. At least what we are knowing that at least 15 to 20 under trials were being taken from Chaibasa jail to a local court in Chaibasa for a hearing in various cases, and they had gone there. And while they were coming back, all these 15 to 20 under trials, and when almost they had reached the main gate of the Chaibasa jail, at that point of time, inside the prison van, that is a police van, they used chili powder. They threw chili powder in the eyes of the policemen, and at that point of time they tried to escape from that area. And basically what we know is that 5 of these under trials have been killed because the police indulged into firing to stop them, and 5 under trials have been killed on the spot, and at least 12 to 15 have managed to escape from the Chaibasa jail area, and a massive manhunt has been launched to hunt for them. But this sensational incident has happened this afternoon at the main gate of the Chaibasa jail.